So I have one trade running. It's on 23,000. I'm still looking for this thing to drop below Friday's low. Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? Hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Raphael back again, and in today's video I want to talk about yesterday's trading session. I know some of you might have missed out on their trades because I didn't share them for free in my free Telegram channel. I just shared them with all my students, with all the Masterclass students. But I'm going to talk about the trade that I took yesterday anyways, the two trades that I took yesterday. So hopefully you can learn something even if you're not enrolled in the Genius Trading Masterclass course. Yesterday I took two sell positions on Nasdaq because I was still thinking that the market will reverse a little bit more, come down a little bit more before the next push, and I was giving my best to get a nice sell entry. First trade got stopped out, second trade I was good loaded up. I was able to bank some profits yesterday. Let me show you the results real quick. I still have a trade running. Let me show you real quick. So I have one trade running. It's on 23,000. I'm still looking for this thing to drop below Friday's low. I still want to see this thing goes down to Friday's low and make some good money. Overall, yesterday I made 4.3%. Took a lot of trades in here, took a lot of risk yesterday. Overall, for the week, we up 18%. Man, amazing. For the month, last month, and including this month, the two trading sessions that we had Monday and yesterday, I'm up more than 55%. And since the beginning of that year, we are up 152%. Man, we printing money like crazy, guys. And yeah, let's go into the charts. Let me show you what was happening yesterday. This video is sponsored by XAUUSD, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. Guys, I will put the links down below in the description if you're looking for a regulated broker. XAUUSD is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they make an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description. So what we have in here, guys, we have Friday's low, right? This was mainly my target. I wanted to see this thing goes down, maybe get back somewhere back into this zone in here where the market was moving pretty aggressive. If we pull the Fibonacci tool out and measure that whole move, then you see below the 50%, somewhere in this area. This is the sweet spot where the market will probably like to bounce off of to get to higher highs, but we don't know that for sure. But yeah, the market like to do things like that. Anyways, I was aiming for that sell position to at least 14,500. This would have been like a beautiful trade, but market was playing around with me yesterday, let me tell you that. Let me show you on a smaller time frame. As you can see, guys, the market was moving pretty aggressive as soon as the New York Stock Exchange opened at around 9:30. Man, this thing was just moving down. It got below the previous day's low, like Monday's low. We just got below and then market snapped back. But when it snapped back, I was willing to sell this thing because I saw that thing easily get below Friday's low. So I got in and it kept pulling back, and I loaded it up on this high around at around 15,550. I was getting in again. Man, market just stopped me out, and then I was like, man, that shit, we're gonna get in again. So I basically gave it a little bit more air to breathe because it was moving so slowly upwards that I was pretty sure that we are going to see some more bearish pressure. I felt that the market wants to come down, and so I was giving it a little bit more air to breathe. I had my stop sitting somewhere at around 14,600. Here on TradingView it's 14. On my account it was 25, but it's kind of the same area, somewhere in here in this area. Had my stop sitting above. When the market pulled back to hit a big figure number, 14,600, that area, I was loading it up again. I got in pretty big. And then the market finally gave me a beautiful drop, man. And I think I closed most of my positions somewhere in here in this area. This is where I took most of my profits. I still have one position running. I think I closed 90% of that position somewhere in here. And I still have another one running. It's in profit, as you already saw. Let's see where this thing will take us. Maybe we can now get the push below Friday's low. This would be amazing, because then I would just bank another 60 or 65,000 for today with this remaining position. That would be a blessing, and I would not trade today. Let's see how it will finish. Like yesterday was basically a ranging market, not going anywhere really, just bouncing around at the week open. It was just bouncing around the week opening. Yeah, let's see where it will take us, guys. I will keep you updated. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you're all having a profitable trading week so far. My trading week had been amazing. I already banked more than 8%. Let's see, maybe we can bank another beautiful big runner today. Let's see. I will let it run and see if we can get a beautiful push. I mean, at least below yesterday's low, man. If we can get it over there, maybe I'm going to close and just be happy with another 50K, man. Let's see. We're gonna find out during New York session. We're still early. New York session didn't start it. I still got like 3 hours until it's until I have to watch the chart and see what's going on, man. Wish you a lovely rest of the trading week, guys. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.
Every now and then,